Hi, I'd like to wish all the viewers of News Today health and happiness always.
Ms. Anandita Kundu, DCU Head, Eastern Regional Office. I extend to them a very warm welcome. The National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics at Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Patna and Shillong will have agreed to enter into a Memorandum of Understanding with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, to develop cooperation and collaboration in capacity building, research assistance in policy making, consulting and other such activities. NASIN, the training wing of CBIC, is a premier training institute which provides academic and physical training to the officers of CGST, SGST, Customs, in GST and other indirect taxes with various offline and online sessions, seminars and webinars, publications, etc. Now I'd like to introduce to the audience the dignitaries on the dais. Shri Rajendra Singh, Principal Additional Director General, is a 1992 batch IRS officer who at present holds the charges of the NASIN at Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Patna and Shillong. Shri Rajendra Singh holds a degree in MTech in Civil Engineering from IIT BHU and has worked in various formations of indirect taxes. He has vast experience and knowledge and has worked in various formations of Central Excise, Service Tax, Customs, GST. Dr. Devashish Mitra, a professional with strong academic leanings, was elected as the president of the ICAI in the year 2022 for his third term in the council of ICAI. He has been serving the accounting profession for more than 35 years. He has been serving, Dr. Mitra is a cost accountant, a company secretary, holds a master degree in the commerce, a law graduate and a qualified information system auditor. He is a PhD on the topic of a critical study of select Indian GAAP, USGAP, IAS and IFRS.
Sanjeev Sanghi, Chairman EIRC, and Sri Jai Batra, Secretary ICAI, and other distinguished guests from ICAI, members of press, my colleagues from NASIN, Kolkata, Shillong, Patna and Bhubaneswar, and trainee officers who are presently undergoing induction training in this Kolkata Institute. The purpose of MOU is to harness the expertise of ICAI for the capacity building of our officers dealing with indirect taxes, valuable faculty support, offering specialized training, workshops, and knowledge sharing sessions that are crucial for
an agreement built on understanding brings completion to the work when all are united. With this shlok in Sanskrit and with the wish that our great country India becomes a developed country, our country becomes prosper, all people are happy, the India becomes the Viksit Bharat. At first, on behalf of the world's largest professional accounting body, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to the distinguished guest, Shri Rajinder Singh Ji, Principal ADG NASEN, Ms. Mini Chaudhary, Joint Director NASEN, Mr. Rohit Khare, Joint Director NASEN. I request all the guests who are here, please welcome them with huge round of applause.
Having this MOU and signing ceremony with NASEN, the National Academy of Custom, Indirect Tax and Narcotics, which is happening today, in the areas of Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Patna and Shillong. And to my council members, regional, Vice Chairman Vishnu Tulsian, Secretary and Treasurer Mayur, Ravi Patwa, the past chairman, immediate past chairman Divine Patra, to all the press, media and officers over here. I just want to say one thing, this moment, why this moment is so important. The world is changing. We are working in a very collaborative environment, wherein each and every organization, when we talk about skill development, is playing a very important role. In fact, the country and the nation is looking towards skills as the most important element for the overall development of the country. And that's why, if we have to travel far and in the shortest possible time, we need to learn how we can engage ourselves, collaborate with each other, and interchange our information so that we all get better and better. And that's why we all need to run. I was looking into all the officers and they were all, fit. So need to run. And when I'm talking about this run which we are doing in this exchange ceremony, it is not about a physical run. It is all about reskilling, upskilling and acquiring new skills.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. My great pleasure to be here. We were in Rishikesh yesterday, Sushil Goyal, so we had our Central Council meeting there. Once in a year, we have an outstation Central Council meeting. We are headquartered in Delhi, but we have an outstation Central Council meeting there. And 3 days of Central Council meeting. And you see, we all reached late night yesterday to Calcutta and went to Russia. And let me tell you, in the Central, 2 branches were organizing. The Dehradun branch and the Haridwar branch. So they were organizing the Central Council meeting which we had in Rishikesh yesterday.
Rajinder Singh Sir, Principal ADG, will be representing, while Dr. Devashish Mitra, past president, he'll be representing the ICI. So may I now request them to exchange the MOU. This is for Kolkata, ZTI Kolkata. This MOU is for ZTI Kolkata. Next, would like request them to exchange the MOUs between NASEN ZTI Bhubaneswar and ICI. I would now request them to exchange the memorandum of understanding according to NASEN, ZTI, Patna and ICI. And finally, the MOU between NASEN, ZTI, Shillong and ICI can be exchanged. May
हम ICI से एक पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट साइन किया हमने लोगों ने। हम ये नासेन के 4 इंस्टीट्यूट जो भुवनेश्वर, कलकत्ता, शिलांग एंड पटना 4 इंस्टीट्यूट जो 12 स्टेट और एक यूनियन टेरिटरी को कैटर करते हैं, जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो CGST के ऑफिसर्स हैं, कस्टम्स के ऑफिसर्स हैं और स्टेट GST के जो ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनको हम लोग ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। तो उनके ट्रेनिंग के लिए हमें एक्सपर्टीज़ की ज़रूरत है, एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी, एक्सपर्ट ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल। तो उसके लिए हमने ICI से पार्टनरशिप किया क्योंकि ये लोग भी सिमिलर ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं अपने मेंबर्स को, ट्रेड इंडस्ट्री को। सो इनकी एक्सपर्टीज़ है बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे, स्पेशली अकाउंट्स एंड GST दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग डे इन डे आउट। तो इनके पास बहुत सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी मेंबर्स। तो हम लोग को बहुत उससे फ़ायदा होगा, नासेन को विल गेट एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी और उससे हमारे ऑफिसर्स को भी बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। तो हमारा दोनों का एक ही पर्पस है कि टैक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फेयर एंड जस्ट मैनर में इम्प्लीमेंट हो। तो उसके लिए हमें इनकी ज़रूरत है कि हमारे ऑफिसर्स अगर ट्रेंड होंगे तो इफ़िशिएंटली और इफ़ेक्टिवली टैक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को एडमिनिस्टर कर पाएंगे। मैं राजेंद्र सिंह, प्रिंसिपल ADG भुवनेश्वर, और मैं अभी चार्ज होल्ड कर रहा हूँ कलकत्ता नासेन और शिलांग नासेन और पटना नासेन।
CA Dr. Devashish Mitra, past president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I am joined by CA Sushil Goyal, who is a Central Council member and chairman Indirect Tax Committee of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And to his right is Sanjeev Sanghi, the chairman of the Eastern India Regional Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It's a very important day for us as we sign the memorandum of understanding with NASEM, to train its officers on various facets of indirect taxes. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, formed under an Act of Parliament on 1st of July 1949, is the largest accounting body in the world. And it is from our podium of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India that on 1st of July in 2017, the GST was introduced to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister. We are a leader on GST education, and it is our great privilege that we have joined hands with NASEM, a very respected organization, for imparting training and education on this very important subject of GST. We hope that, as we go ahead, we'll work hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, with one common goal, that is nation first, and with also this idea that we shall forward this image that the former President of India had about us, that we are a partner in nation building.
Dilli, how much optimistic are you with this association like?
I am fully optimistic for this association with the NASEN. ICI is having a huge bank of resources. We have faculties, we have research material, which is we are using for the training of our members, and same is now going to be used for the officers of the NASEN. This is recognized by the Prime Minister in the first year of GST, that ICI supported the country in introduction of GST smoothly. We have different mechanism for training our members and the industries. Same mechanism we are going to use for the training of the NASEN officers. Whatever expertise we have, whatever technical material we have developed, or whatever faculties we are having, we are all going to share with the NASEN, and it will definitely going to help the entire industries and entire profession also in turn, because we will be having more learned procedures in the times to come. So thank you very much.